Tom Devine from AV Pro Edge. I'm here at ISE 2023 in Barcelona, rocking out with the rave folks, of course, like every convention. And so what we're showing here is something really special. This is a unique product to AV Pro Edge. Nobody else in this entire building had it. We just debuted it at CES a few weeks ago. This is the 40 gigabit per second, 8K HDMI extender that's able to extend 8K signals with zero latency over 300 meters of fiber optic cable. And so that's what we see right now. This is a pink fiber optic cable from Clearline. And what we do, what we have is a brand new Xbox pumping out, up to 40 gigabits per second data rates, and we can send that all the way over to playing our game, and then I'm able to play this game. When I move, my guy moves. When I ollie, he ollies. There's no latency at all. And so now installers can now put this unit or this Xbox in the rack 300 meters away from the TV and use USB extension for each controller, put a controller in each room. Now you could have one Xbox and play it from 10 different rooms if you want to. That's a breakthrough for ISE 2023, a really cool product. I hope you want to check out more, and you can do that at avproedge.com.